Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to schedule a lab using Outlook on a Mac. In previous videos we talked about how to view a calendar so that you can check its availability to make sure that it's open for the time that you need to bring your class to the lab. If you have any questions about that or if you've got issues with lab scheduling, please let me know. So to get started, I visit my calendars in Outlook. Again, I'm working on a Mac. The other video that's included in the Canvas course is how to schedule using OWA, and the instructions there are very similar for using a PC. So from here, I need to make sure that I've got my calendars selected. I can be viewing any of the other labs that I want to schedule. For me today, I'm going to schedule Lab 228. I can see that it's being used first, second, and third periods. So I can't schedule it any of those times, but I can schedule it for later in the day. But I do need to have my calendar selected. If I've got the EdNet lab selected, I won't be able to create a meeting. You'll see that area is grayed out. So on my calendars, with my calendars selected, I can create a meeting. And when I select that button, it brings up the meeting scheduler. And in the to space, I type the address of the lab that I'd like to schedule. And if I type lab space dash space and a B, it should bring up in the directory all of the bright and high labs. But I can see I'm missing a couple here. I've got some of the old labs. I've got 416. But we are now using 416A and 416B. So to schedule those labs, please refer to the list that I have in the Canvas course and copy those addresses directly into the to box here in the meeting scheduler. For this video, I'm going to invite Lab 228 to the meeting. And again, it's not available in the morning, but I can change my meeting time to let's say 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and I know it's available at that time. Again, pick the times that are closest to within about 15 minutes of our start and stop times for our classes, and you should be good. So I've got the lab scheduled. The location automatically fills because of the type of email address that this is. I can add other teachers to the to line if I'd like. But for me, I just need to make sure I've got the lab scheduled, and that's all I need once my dates and times are set. When everything looks good, I can send that meeting request. I will get an error that says I don't have a subject for this meeting, but that's okay. I just send the invitation, and the email for the lab calendar will send a response back if my time is accepted. So here you can see I've just gotten a notification that I have an email from the EdNet Lab 228 saying my meeting request was accepted. If it's not accepted, or if you get a message that says your request was declined, that means your dates or times are wrong and another teacher has got the lab scheduled for that time. If you get that error in other cases, please let me know and we'll work through that. Back on the lab calendar for Lab 228, I can see that at 3 p.m. my event is now added to the calendar. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And all of the other information you need is in the Canvas course. Thanks.